Good morning! Say good morning! Say it nicely without the balloon. Tuwang-tuwa siya dito sa balon na may mata. Mga emoji na balon na uso din dito. Mula kahapon niya pa. Kahapon o isang araw pa pala niya itong nilalaro. Good morning! Ganda ng sunshine. Sarap na ang init. Ayan yung ganyan guys. Oh. Bibenta yun siya ng gatas. Ito din, gatas din binibenta nito. Ayan. Sa umaga, gawa ng mga tao dito kapag may mga hayupan, kalabaw o baka. Busy yan sila. Maghahatid ng gatas. Sa umaga tsaka sa hapon. 2 times. Benta ng gatas. Tapos, yung ano niyan, yung kobrahan niyan is buwanan. Yan. Tapos, doon sa pinaka-dairy center, is sterilize yun doon. Tapos, dadalhin sa ano, dadalhin sa city. Diba? Pero yung may mga malaking farm dito, sa city talaga nila mismo na hinahatid. Hindi na sila dumadaan dito sa ano, sa dairy. Kasi ano na yun sa kanila eh, grabe, ilang galon. Katulad nung nakasalubong nating nakamotor, 'di ba? Dalawa or 4 ba 'yon? Tapos na ako maglinis kaninang umaga, guys. Pero hindi yata kontento si Ayush. Malaking linisin na naman ito mamaya. Just do it. Be careful, hay? Oy! Uta pa ni. That side. Ah, okay. Okay. What else is there? The horses, the sheep, the cows. What they eat? What they eat? Yeah, which food they eat? They eat bad?
Milk, grass.
No, I'm asking you. The horses, the sheep, and the goats.
Sheep.
What they're eating?
Grass.
Hooray!
I need dogs eat rice.
Okay.
Dogs eat bone. That is meat.
Who's eating meat?
The tiger.
Oh, the tiger eats meat.
I mean, lion eats fish. And snakes eat frogs.
Yeah, frogs also. They eat frogs. Yung nagluluto tayo guys, yung magre-review din tayo. Science nila ngayon.
Because lay eggs.
Yeah, they lay eggs.
And ducks lay eggs.
How about chickens? They also lay eggs or not?
I say, that was a chicken.
It's a duck.
Where's the face? Her face.
Here. See? Look at that. Wait. Let me ask you. Where does the frog, starfish, fish, jellyfish, crocodile, dolphins, and octopus lives? Where they live, Babu?
Ocean.
In the ocean. That's why they are called water animals.
And that one live under dirt.
The dirt. So it's called burrow. So they're digging up. In the where?
In the dirt also.
In the desert.
The desert.
In the dry land. Desert. The camel. Okay, this one. Okay, how about this one? Is this good or bad?
Good.
Yes.
That one's bad.
Why is it bad?
It's getting flowers.
Okay. And this one?
That one's good. It's given to Mom and Papa.
But we cannot pick flowers everywhere. That's why we need to go to the shop. We go to the shop and buy flowers for Mama and Papa. Not pick up the flowers from the garden. Ana?
Need to get flowers from the garden.
Our own garden. But from the school garden?
No.
No. See, that's why it's not good to pick flowers.
In the
Because,
school.
yes.
That is the school.
I think so. So, it's not good to pick up flowers. Ang hirap nga namang i-explain, guys, no? Kasi pambigay daw sa mama at papa yung flowers.
Good. That one is bad.
Good. That one is good. Okay, now let's go.
Bad. Good. Bad.
Okay. Now, oh, this one. Nakakaloka itong sa nursery na may germination pa silang nalalaman. Oh, number the pictures of germination in sequence and color them. Just, you know. For this one, what is this? A seeds. A seed? Eggy. That's not an egg. And then it becomes like this, into this, and into this. Gawa tayo ng pambaon ng kiat, guys. Ginagaya ni Ayos siya, reply mo po. Come on now. Wash your hands, please. Pray muna tayo. Ready na tong kanyang pancake, guys. Pinalalamig ko muna ng konti dito sa ano. Pinadadala ko yan lahat sa kanya. Sabi nga ni Amang, laki-laki naman ang baon ni Ayush. Nilalakihan ko na, baka mamaya kasi may manghingi sa kanyang kaklase. At least may makain pa rin siya, di ba? Kasi alam niyo naman yung mga bata, pag may anong nakita yun sa isa, gusto rin ng isa. Kaya damihan muna. Para sigurado busog din siya kahit hingian pa siya. Ayush! Tita Annalie.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Sing it. You sing na happy birthday. Shows. 10 o'clock na, guys. Walang paabiso. Kung...
Understand the God is removing stop my children.
What my children? They're not your children. They are your classmates. Not your children. How?
That was the classmate. That was the children.
Itong Ayos na to. You know, Mama, the children in the school. Murag dili. Parang hindi siya kasali sa children sa school. Okay, you're not a child. Maghahatid yata ako kay Ayos ngayon. Alas 10 na. I'll call your teacher. Hatid ko na naman siya, guys. Kasi sira yata ang bus. Walang paabiso. Wala akong makitang iba. Bye-bye na, Mama. Kiss, Mama. Oops. Wait. What happened this one? Oh. Okay na. Bye-bye. Love you. Sira daw pala yung bus na naman nila ni Ayush. Pero walang abiso ngayon, guys. Ang hirap ng walang pera, guys. Ibinenta na ni Ama yan. 2 pala.
Video bana rahi hai.
Benta to, guys. Pati yan. Naiwan pala yan dun sa burner na binenta ni Ama last time. Tapos yun, sa lumang bintana, yung dating bahay dito sa kabila. Yan. 2 pala. Ayan o.
कितना दिए आपको? कितना रखे? 1650 से 10 रुपए ना कम है इसमें। 1650 से कितना?
Ha? Kasari? Ha? Atara. Atara, guys, is 1800. Naka 1800 din sila. May pambili tayo ng ulam, sabihin ko ngayon. Sandali. Hindi ko naintindihan ko na yung pinagtatanunan nila kanina, guys. Pero hinawakan ni Govinda yung 2 pala. Ayaw niyang ibigay. Ayoko rin gamitin yung pala na yan. Ang bigat-bigat, ang pangit-pangit. Gamit nila yan dati paggawa nitong bahay. Muna tayo, guys. Ang daming nabenta ni Govinda pala. 1.8. Dami. So, ito na yung pambili natin, guys. So, didiretso na ako, guys. Nandito lang sa tapat yung dating location ng bank na inaanuhan ko. Kapag remittance, dito ako pumupunta, guys. Kasi, mabilis. Konti lang yung tao sa kanila, eh. Dito tayo sa likod, guys. Yung ganyang klase sana gusto ko, eh. Sana, yes to, hunsa. Color pa ni, sa stock room pala, meron. Oh! Ang dami! Okay, but I want one. How much, Aile? Paisa ka, sari? 8,500. Sabi ko na nga ba, guys. You know, the last time nga bumili kami, guys. 6,500 lang yun. Ngayon, 8,500. Last price yun siya. At, 7,500. Tukri pa ni siya.
Extra charge.
Kasari.
इसको 400.
Free hunsa. May bayad pa yung basket. Kailangan ko yung basket. Resist naman ako ng mga ganyan. Marami may mga bagong. Magkano kaya tong bagong burner nila, no? Tagalog ka, no? Naghalo-halo na yung salita ko. Mag-Tagalog, mag-Nepali. Tapos yan, guys. Since bumili tayo ng momo, bili na lang din tayo ng ice cream. Ayan. Tapos nandito ako, guys. Bili na rin ako ng chicken. Ayan. May customer sila. Ang daming binili, oh. Nandyan. Ayan, oh. Sapo-sapo pa. Kaya antay muna ako saglit. 1:30 na. So, hindi na ako makakapagpahinga. Pagdating nito sa bahay, diretsyo na ako. Lapag ko lang tong gamit. Tapos diretsyo na. Bibili ako ng chicken kasi nga sabi sa akin ni ate dapat marunong akong manghilot-hilot. Will you say Ayush? Thank you. You say thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you guys for my ice cream.
Thank you, guys, for the ice cream.
For my mama.
For my mama.
And for our new bike.
For my new one.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Tuwang-tuwa siya, guys.